friends, my name is Mani and today you're going to learn
Conjugative, subconjugative
with Rcare, important for everyone who are learning the German language or they're planning to go to Germany. So please make sure you repeat after every word. Please, when you repeat it, you learn it in a better way. Alright, so please don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any problem, any doubt, please you can just contact us, call us, mail us. Make sure that we don't take the classes as a recorded sessions. We provide one-to-one classes. Thank you.
Konjunktiv II or Subjunctive II. So in this video we'll be learning what Konjunktiv II is actually and how it is used and what kind of verbs are used in this tense. As we call it Subjunctive II in English. So Konjunktiv II is a form of verb that is mostly used in indirect speech. For example, verbs such as wurden, wären and hätten are used in this. Mainly only these verbs are used in this tense. So whenever we have to express an imaginary situation or an irreal situation or our dreams, suggestions, maybe recommendations, in that case we use Konjunktiv II. It is also used to form polite requests or questions. For example, like the way we speak in English, no? Could you give me a glass of water? Or would you do this for me? So these are polite requests. So these are the words which we use in German as Konjunktiv II. Now these can be used in present, past perfect, future tense as well. But we'll be learning that in further videos, and in this video we'll be only learning the present tense. Now, for example, wenn ich nicht so lange arbeiten müsste, würde ich gern mitkommen. If I didn't have to work that long, I would like to come with you. Now in this sentence, we have used a modal verb in Konjunktiv II and also the verb wurden. So we'll be learning how these conjugations go and how we use them in a sentence, in what cases we use them. So first of all, we learn the conjugation of the verbs in Konjunktiv II form, and these verbs are sein, werden and haben. As we have already learned these verbs in present and past tense, it will be easier for you guys. So sein is converted into wären. Ich wäre, du wärest, sie wäre, wir wären, ihr wäret and sie wären. Please keep in mind that in the last row, the small s, the z with small s is for they and the z with capital S is for you, formal you. Now we'll learn the conjugation of werden in Konjunktiv II form. So ich würde, du würdest, sie würde, wir würden, ihr würdet and sie würden. Now comes haben. Ich hätte, du hättest, sie hätte, wir hätten, ihr hättet and sie hätten. Now we'll be learning modal verbs in Konjunktiv II form. As you must have already learned in past tense and in present tense as well. So in past tense we just simply add t with the root word in a modal verb and we remove the umlaut. But in Konjunktiv II form we add the t plus we have the umlaut as well. So first verb is dürfen. Ich dürfte. Du dürftest. Sie dürfte. Wir dürften. Ihr dürftet and sie dürften. Now können, ich könnte, du könntest, sie könnte, Wir könnten, ihr könntet, and sie könnten. Next verb is mögen. Ich möchte, du möchtest, sie möchte, wir möchten, ihr möchtet, and sie möchten. Now the next modal verbs are müssen, sollen and wollen. Ich müsste, du müsstest, sie müsste, wir müssten, ihr müsstet, and sie müssten. Ich sollte, du solltest, sie solltet, sie sollte, wir sollten, ihr solltet, sie sollten. Now comes wollen. Ich wollte, du wolltest, sie wollte, wir wollten, ihr wolltet, and sie wollten. As you must have already learned the conjunctive II form of mögen in A1 as well. We have been learning that since A1, so it's easier for you to understand. No? And wollen remains same as in past tense. There's no umlaut in wollen. Now we'll look at some more examples. So first example is an real situation with the verb hätten. Ich könnte besser arbeiten, wenn ich einen neuen Computer hätte. I could work better if I had a new computer. So as you can see here, it is an irreal situation. I don't have a better computer, but if I had, I would work better. Next example is with the verb wären. Wenn Boris nicht so gestresst wäre, wäre die Pause lustiger. If Boris was not so stressed, the Pause would be funnier. Next example is with the verb würden. Wenn ich etwas Geld hätte, würde ich mehr spenden. If I had some money, I would donate more. So again, a real situation, I don't have much money, but if I had, I would donate more. So würden is used here as a helping verb and hätten as a main verb. Next example is a höfliche Bitte, which means a polite request. Könnten Sie mir bitte ein Glas Wasser geben? Could you please give me a glass of water? So conjunctive II form is also used to make polite requests to people when we have to ask them for something and we want to be polite. Next example is höflicher Vorschlag. That means a polite recommendation or an advice. Sie sollten vielleicht mehr trainieren. You should perhaps exercise more. Now, next example is a Wunsch. Wunsch ausdrücken or Wunsch sagen is to express your desire or your wishes. Ich wünschte, ich hätte ein teures Auto. I wish I had an expensive car. So again here I'm wishing something. It's not the real situation, but I'm wishing. I hope you have thoroughly got what conjunctive II is. You have understood. And if you have any doubts, please drop it in the comment section. You can make sentences. We'd be happy to help you. Please practice and make as many sentences as you can in conjunctive II form.